strong for my heart in my play. Mount a check. Yes, Vegas, Nevada. Changing the states. Food, your biggest body in.
Someday I'ma look at this. Tell my kids my story. Someday I'ma
Dunce for school, I'm a little and I grow me no run for a fool. Designer every day me in a dunks and rude and a 32 clip figure hunt one fool. None of me pocket them never empty, and none of them carry we no renty. From black eye class I know we trendy, just a touch of savannah.
Back it up, jazz, rip up my gun in a got she glasses in her. Come pick it up, she come for the phone. Yeah, man.
These guys full of money in a real life. These guys never stop up when them feel tired. These guys too rich and need for retire.
Dump the pen smooth. You see the beam a big gear. Plate big unit, new shape. Skull I believe in this in a.
From then do music, I'm a scammer, me no sleep from when. I know they see me style, trend, number one, yeah. I know.
Stick it from me, click rum up in your chrome skin. Loader than for them when you're talking. You're expensive when we first meet you, but me not care, me spend money by you.
You know, you to the squad one about the way I roll with it and you collect some money. I'm there for giving none enough.
They know it's the same thing the man them. And that's why me and them fall out.
Then me and them fall out too.
You and them fall out?
Yeah, man.
I go on and tell him alone fall out.
Yeah. Hey, you ready?
Oh, yeah, man, we could do this here.
No.
Send it.
Vybz Kartel is a man. Him stimulate me Evans with the music. If only him could have realized where him have.
Yes.
And turn the spanner anti-clockwise and then turn it in the right direction.
So he's misdirected, you're saying, at the time?
I wouldn't say misdirected, you know. I would have said no see it yet. I see no see it though, because I will take a time. Let me tell you. What him said, come like remind me when we did Young Elizabeth Shabba as my mentor, as the man I say, everybody else said did bad. But him has said things which X-rated.
Yeah.
That get the woman excited, like a poem which is recited. That's not an ordinary train of thought, yeah?
Yes.
So this guy was thinking. And I find the similarities in this young man also who do some little things and say some little things and teach him biology and teach him some little things in him, little way.
Yes, subtly, but
him can still get some smooth down to get the thing on a level where him can. Because if the music can't be on the radio, you're missing your whole pension scheme, you know.
Yeah.
And you're missing your initial revenue base, you know. Even though Jamaica don't adapt to that formality yet. Yes, right?
So that talent, that brain needs to be helping to uplift.
Yeah. And it can
empower.
Of course, become seen as one of the baddest young ones out there right now.
He decided to challenge me, you know. Man, a big DJ asks Meghan and Harry.
Looks like I'm drawing for Bob myself.
Hey, you say you love me, baby.
Okay then.
Listen, let me take you somewhere else, man. Let me take. You know what I'm gonna take you? I'm gonna take you somewhere else.
Go on then.
You wanna go deep?
You're gonna go deep, AG. Let's go. Oh my days.
Let me take them somewhere. Tell them.
Okay, AG.
Yeah, pull it up, man. Tell them, man.
Okay. You're showing off now.
You know.
Like, he's showing off.
It's my USB, yeah. I'm gonna
Remember,
show
right, this ain't my USB, right? I lie? Ain't my USB.
Don't let me draw
but
for the
you know what?
plates.
When you're a big DJ, you're a big DJ. You understand? When you're a big DJ, this is what you draw for. versus me. Doing that.
You know what? I'm coming to listen. After this, I'm gonna be taking your Hollywood jobs. Yeah, listen. I'm a DJ everywhere. Yeah, right. Let's go. This is my. Okay.
Oh, class, man.